Hey guys, it's AmiLin, and today I'm going to show you a super easy blender cleaning hack. You won't even need to use a sponge. I just made a smoothie for breakfast, so I have my dirty blender here. You can see all the bits and pieces of berry skin and seeds. Now all you need to do is put some soap into your dirty blender. Then add warm water. Make sure you don't fill it all the way up, or you'll have a big soapy mess all over your counter. Just make sure the blender is secured to the base, pop on the lid, and turn it on. I always start with the lowest setting and ramp it up so again, I don't have a big soapy mess to deal with. You'll end up with a super frothy soap mixture like this. Then, all you have to do is dump it out into your sink. Last but not least, rinse it with warm water and wipe it dry. This is by far one of my favorite kitchen hacks. Thanks for watching!